Okay, so what are we doing?
We're making marshmallows. Making s'mores and roasting marshmallows.
And roasting hot dogs. Oh, well, that's just Calvin. So. Do it. We got some molestation going down. Yeah, I did a good s'more and I'm done.
Alright, you only get 2 more and then you're done because you are marshmallowy.
Oh, yeah, give her. So nice.
Just lick your face.
Oh, maybe don't like it. Just sit there. La 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 la. Dude, so like when you hold that, it looks like the lights, like you're blowing out the light.
Keep going.
Fire. Birthday. Oh, that's your birthday candle.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that on my birthday. Dude, you gotta blow that out. Your poop is gonna be so bad tomorrow. Why not?
Because you fell on the floor already.
Then that's a waste. There's kids in Nigeria starving.
Give it to them.
In Niger.
Yeah. I don't even know. That looks like a hot dog.
Yeah, they actually roast like ew. Punch it up.
Pete burned it.
I wanna see. Keep it there. Do it again. Keep going. Put the whole thing in. There we go. There's like a marshmallow on my shoe.
Thank God.
Yeah, I'm done with the marshmallowing.
There we go.
Oh, it's dripping! It's dripping! What is? You.
Oh.
I just made the air blow it.
Look at marshmallows.
Look at the marshmallows thing.
Tell it dark. We're the brightest people in it.
Now you can get another one.
Yeah.